For the 6 months, they can withdraw only 5,000 from their account. मागीर the renewal FDP ती करपाक मेळटा, renewal FD करपाक मेळटा. जावं they have allowed us some expenditure, staff salary बिल तातूंतल्यान we allowed केलें ताणें. मागीर rent म्हण, electricity म्हण, postages, printing to do work banking चलोवपा खातीर जे पळय कितें जाय पडटा तें आमकां ताणें अलाव केलां. मागीर कोण जर VRS हाजेर वता, रिटायर्ड जाता, तांचे पयशे दिवपाक ग्रॅच्युटी that they allowed us. This will be there for next 6 months. So we have to show the improvement. During the 6 months, we have to show the improvement. And then they will lift it or give the fresh directions. This is a normal procedure.
MD म्हणटा बँक मर्जर करपाची प्रक्रिया चल्ल्या.
So next, bank has already decided to go for the merger to safeguard the interest of the customers. And we are दोन बँकांक approach जाल्या. आमी things are going on. Probably they will come next Sunday. They will come to due diligence म्हणून करचें पडटा. So they are coming to make the due diligence on Sunday, and that procedure will start. It will take around 6 to 8 months for the procedure. In principle, they have agreed because some of the banks have already done due diligence earlier. In January 18, they have already done, and everything was finalized. We kept the things on hold because government कडे आमकां कितें सपोर्ट मेळपाचो आशिल्लो. कितें तरी आमी हें केल्लें कळ्ळें न्ही. मागलेलें आनी some working was done.
It was not materialized.
After Parikar was doing it. It did not materialize. Now we cannot wait because AID आली म्हणटकीर आनी ताच्या मुखार आनी आमकां कांय स्कोप ना. We have to do something in the interest of the public.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.